Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, we are going to install a free WordPress lead generation funnel builder plugin. Using this plugin, you can create landing pages for the lead generation. These landing pages can be created from the scratch, or you can use the pre-designed templates like this. So this will be a funnel in which you will get a landing page and a thank you page. Whenever someone fills up the form, it will go to the thank you page and it will send the information to your email account. These templates are fully customizable. You can use Elementor page builder or Gutenberg, Divi or Oxygen page builder templates. And using these page builders, you can customize the landing pages. Now this plugin is compatible with the email marketing automation tool, that is MailMint Pro. And you can also create email marketing automation in this funnel. Here you will see a canvas which you can create. Here is the landing page. Whenever someone fills up the form, you can send an automated email. Again, you can add a delay of 1 or 2 days and send another email. So this is a kind of email marketing automation that you can create. So basically, we are going to install two different plugins. The first one will be the funnel builder and the second plugin will be email marketing automation plugin. Both the plugins have free version as well as the pro version. So we'll start with the free version and I'll show you what is the difference between the free and the pro plugins. So let's see how we can create the lead generation funnel using the free plugin.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website, and now we are going to install a free plugin which will help you create the lead generation funnel in a WordPress website. So let's go to plugins and click on add new plugin. And here search for sales funnel builder. So this is the plugin drag and drop sales funnel builder for WordPress. This can also be used for WooCommerce website, and I have already shown you how you can create a WooCommerce sales funnel using the same plugin. This is the video that I have already published, free sales funnel builder for WooCommerce and WordPress. So using this plugin, you can create upsell, downsell, a sales funnel for the WooCommerce website. If you want to watch this video, I'll give you the link in the description box. So let's click on install now and click on activate. Now it will go through the setup wizard. Now if you want to create a sales funnel for the e-commerce website, if you want to sell products in the funnel, then you will need to install the WooCommerce plugin on your WordPress website. So this is a WooCommerce sales funnel builder. If you select sales, it is going to install the WooCommerce plugin and this another plugin. However, we are going to use the lead generation funnel in this example. So select lead generation and click next. Which page builder you want to use, and you will see different options here: Gutenberg, Elementor, Divi and Oxygen. If you select Gutenberg, it will install the Quibbly plugin. If you select Elementor, it will install Elementor. If you do not have Elementor plugin installed, it will install it. If Divi, then it will install Divi. If Oxygen, then it will install the Oxygen. In this example, I'm going to use Elementor. Click next. So it will install the Elementor plugin. And in the next, it will ask you email automation. You may choose to manage your leads and run email marketing automation flows using our own plugin MailMint. So MailMint is another plugin that it is going to install, and this plugin can be used for the automation, email marketing automation. I have also published a video on how to use the MailMint and how you can create email marketing automations using the MailMint plugin. So I have already published a video on how to use the MailMint plugin. This is the video, free email marketing automation plugin for WordPress. And if you want to watch this video, I'll give you the link in the description box. So let's go back and click next. So now it is going to install the MailMint plugin. And these are the basic permalink settings. So I'm going to keep it on default permalink. Click next. And you're ready. So it is installed. Let's click on start creating funnels now. So it will go to the dashboard of the WP funnel. Let me show you the website first. So this is the website. If you want to buy the pro version, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link in the description box if you want to buy the pro version of the MailMint plugin or the Get WP funnel plugin. You can see the features here. You can create a canvas where you can manage the upsell, downsell. You can also create conditions, true and false. And these are the features: drag and drop canvas, order bump, upsell, downsell. These are mostly for the WooCommerce plugin. If you want to create sales funnel for the WooCommerce, here you will see opt-in form to create lead generation funnels. So you will get some pre-designed templates that you can use to create the funnels. Let me show you the pricing. This is the pricing. If you go for the pro version of WP funnels, for a single website, it is going to cost you $97 per year. And currently there is an offer going on, $63 per year. If you want to go for a MailMint Pro plugin, it will cost you $149.99 per year. So you can generate leads using the funnel builder, and you can use the MailMint Pro automation for the email marketing campaigns. So let's go back and let's go to settings here. You will see the basic settings. Right now we are using lead generation funnel, and page builder will be Elementor. So let's go to plugins. Let me show you the plugins that are installed here. You will see Elementor is installed automatically, and the MailMint plugin as well as the WP funnel that we installed. Go to settings again. These are the general settings, permalink settings and advanced settings. So I don't think you need to make any changes here. If you want to use Google reCAPTCHA, you can enable it, get the site key and secret key and add the keys here. Let's go to funnels again and let's click on create your first funnel. Some free templates are available for the lead generation. Currently, you can see there are only 5 templates for the lead generation. However, if you go for WooCommerce sales funnel, you will get many templates to create your own sales funnel. So we need to select one of these templates. So I'm going to start with this one. If you want to see how does this look, you can click on preview and it will show you the preview of this funnel builder. So the customer or the visitor will enter the email address and they will click on it. They will get added as a lead. So this is basically kind of sales page where you are going to collect the leads using this form. If you want to import this template, you can simply click on import. Here you will see that there are 2 steps. The first will be the main page and the second will be the thank you page. You will see it here, the landing page and the thank you page. So if I select this one, you will see Pro Beta. This is A/B test and available for the Pro version only. If you want to edit, you can click on edit. Here you can change the name of this landing page. Right now it shows the URL slug is paid grooming landing. You can change it. Let's say I want to only paid grooming. Click update. Let's see how does this look. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to open it. So this is how the page will look. Let's go back and the second page will be the thank you page. Let's click on it and this is how it will look. Once the visitor fills up the form, this is the next step that they will see. This is the thank you page that they will see. Now let's see how we can customize it. Here you will see the option edit, click on it. And as we have selected Elementor page builder, it is going to open this landing page in Elementor. So using the Elementor, you can customize this landing page. Let's close this one, close this one. So you can edit this landing page using the Elementor page builder. If you want to replace this image, you can replace it. You can add your own image. You can change the logo. If you do not want any section, you can simply delete that one. If you want to add section, you can add the new section. So you need to know how to use Elementor. I have a complete video playlist on how to use the Elementor page builder. Let's see, if you want to change this content or the title, you can select that one, and in the left hand panel you will see the settings to change this title. If you do not want this logo, you can add your own logo from here. So whichever section or whichever element you want to edit, you just need to click on it, and in the left hand panel you will see the option to edit that section. Now this is the sign up form. So if I click on it, you will see the form is there. So basically this is the main form which is going to generate lead for your campaign. So let's see the settings of this form. I have clicked on this form and you will see it. Form layout will be general opt-in, and if you select the other one, click to expand, So I'm going to change it back to general opt-in form. There are some different styles for this form. If I select style 1, this is how it will look. Style 2, style 4 and style 3. So this one looks good. I'm going to keep it as it is. Form fields, which fields are added in the form? So right now only email field is there. If you want to add first name, you can simply enable it and you will see it here. If you want to add phone number, you can simply enable it and you will see it here. So you can increase the number of fields that you want in the contact form. So let's say I do not want this phone number. I only want first name and email address. Next option is submit button. This is the submit button. It says yes, I want all videos. If you want to change this content, you can change it from here. Next is action after submission. So what are the actions? It will send that email to the admin of your website. So this is the email. So I'm going to change it. So if you want to add multiple email addresses, you can add comma, and after that you can add multiple email addresses. So whenever someone fills up the form, it is going to send that information to this particular email address. And new form submission, this will be the title or the subject of the email. This is the notification. Carry data to the next form. So it will carry the data to the next form. And if you want someone to be registered as a subscriber, you can enable this option. So whenever someone fills up the form, it is going to register that user as a subscriber on your website. Now the benefit of enabling this option will be to create email campaigns for the subscriber. So you can create different email campaigns for your subscribers using MailMint Pro plugin. Here you will see registration permission. So if you want to enable, you can enable this checkbox or you can disable that one. All right, if you want to change the style settings, you can go to style settings of this form, and from here you can change the style settings. Let's update it and let's go back and let's go through the content. Let's see, if you want to change this image, you can simply click on it, click here and upload your own image. You can change the content also. So this is all about paid grooming. If you want to create template for different topic, you can add your content here. Let's go back to funnel. Let me close all these pages and it is saved. This is the funnel name. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. Now let's go to thank you page. If you want to edit thank you page, you can simply use the Elementor again. All right, so here you can change the logo, the content, image. Here you will see social media icons. You can add your social media links from here. All right, so I'm not going to make any changes. Let's see how does this work. So I'm going to open it. And here we have the form. I guess there is a form again. So this is the form. Now we have a different form here and we have another form here. So if you're using first name in the first form, I'll suggest you to use the same form at this location also. So you need to edit this form also. All right, so I'm going to fill up the form here. Let me add some dummy content and click on yes, I want all videos. And whenever someone fills up the form, it will go to the next step, that will be congratulations on the thank you page. As soon as someone fills up the form, it is going to send that information to the given email address. All right, now I do have a pro version of this plugin, so I'm going to install that one. Let's see how does this work. Click on dashboard. Now this form has nothing to do with the MailMint form. You can create MailMint forms also. We have MailMint plugin installed here. Here you can create a new form using MailMint, and you can add that form here on the funnel page. So instead of using the built-in form, you can use the MailMint form also, and you can create automation using MailMint form. Let's go back to plugins and click on add new. Click on browse and browse the pro version of this plugin. Click on activate. So this is the pro version of this plugin. I need to add the license key and activate the pro version. All right, so it is activated successfully. Let's go back to funnels. Let me refresh it. And you will see new option is added there, conditions. and integrations. So if I click on integrations, you can add multiple integration. If you want to connect this with CRM, then you can connect this with the CRM. And here you can see that we have the Pro beta is available. If you want to run A/B split test, you can use this one. Now, if you use MailMint Pro plugin also, you can create email marketing automation. Let me show you. I'm going to install the MailMint Pro also. I'm going to activate the license key for MailMint Pro. Now let's go back to funnel, refresh it. Now here you can see that the MailMint Pro is integrated with the WP funnel plugin, and you will see this automation option added here. So I can click on plus sign, and from here I can create a workflow. Let's say after filling up the form, I want to send an email to the visitor. So I can click on send an email, and you will see it added here. Let's click on it, edit, and here you will see opt-in is submitted. So whenever someone fills up the form, you can send an email to the customer, to the visitor. From here you can add your email subject, or you can create a template for the email. Next, if you want to add delay, you can add delay. Let's say after 1 day, I'm going to select this one and 1 day, so delay of 1 day, and after 1 day you can send another email just like this. Here you can add the subject for the 2nd day email. You can also add tags, you can create list, or you can create email sequence. So you can create multiple emails which you can send to the visitor after a certain period of time. This is all about the MailMint Pro plugin. I have a video published on how to use the MailMint Pro plugin. I'll give you the link in the description box if you want to know how to use it. So this is all about the lead generation. If you want to create a sales funnel for the products, then you can use this plugin for the WooCommerce sales funnel. So if you want to create a simple lead generation funnel, then I guess you do not even need the Pro plugin. However, if you want to create email marketing automation, then you can get the Pro version of both the plugins. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.